okra's going in our mini crock pot. Our beans. We're going to put some of our salsa. I'm going to put about half a jar of salsa in there. I don't want it too tomatoey, but I want enough. Got some frozen deep south onions we're going to put in there, because I like a lot of onions. The salsa has onions and peppers, but we're adding more. More frozen onion peppers. The bacon, or Danny fried bacon this morning. I'm putting that drippings in there, whatever you want to call it, grease, fat, bacon. I have corn from last night. The chicken we're going to add in a minute. And for some meat, we're going to put the rest of this chicken in there. And I might have to add a dab of water, but we'll see. I might put it on high to get started and put it on low. I'm going to put about half a cup of water. It's on high. We're going to get it going. Salt and pepper. Oops. Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda. Today we're in the kitchen. We just came in from being outside in the greenhouse, my greenhouse, the Queen Dome. So I'm really excited. I've got my coffee, my tocino, and we're kind of just chilling. I cut up the okra. I had some corn, chicken, opened a jar of salsa, shelled some butter peas that I picked. Hey, they're in the crock pot. It's easy, it's quick. Danny and I have some errands to run. This is gonna go all day. I made Mexican cornbread yesterday. It was awesome. And guess what? This is going over a Mexican cornbread. I already have my meal fixed. Isn't that great? So when we get back later today, we're ready to eat. Check out how I made my, I don't know, I call it goulash. I don't know if it's goulash or not, but that's what I call it. It's Wanda's goulash. Thanks to my granny. My granny used to make this and it was awesome. So, talk to you guys later from Crazy Days. Okay, so after a long day, I took out my Mexican cornbread that I made. I've got my goulash that I made. I heated it up, put the cornbread in my bowl, poured over some of my stuff, and this stuff tastes amazing, guys.